Namaskar, Indu Prakash again. Now we'll solve the second part of our question paper. This part is descriptive in the form of report writing, letter writing, and précis writing. Let us see. Question number 3 is a letter. In letter writing, 3 things matter. Number 1 is subject. Number 2 is effects. That is how this writing part works. Subject is eve-teasing and with people who are affected by this matter. Number 2 is cause, traveling. Effect is harassment, psychological problems to the victims. Third is solution. So, we should know the facts. The reason why we are writing, that is the subject matter. Second is the cause of that subject matter, effect, and finally the solution. That is how it works. Only difference you'll find here is all these sentences are in grammatical English. They are understandable in one reading. Again here, this is online fraud. Subject here is cause effect, cause, cause and effect here, and finally solution. Do read the sentences. You will find that they are understandable in one reading. Again, this is regarding a complaint of encroachment of public places. Now, what is the subject matter here? Subject matter is here. The presence of unauthorized vendors and other sundry sellers. Then, what is the cause and effect? Finally, what is the solution of this? Now, next is about forest fire in Himachal Pradesh. So, subject is a report you have to write about this matter. The subject is forest fire and some solution of this menace. Then cause effect. Cause is our area, this much. And these people indulge in such activities as give rise to forest fire. Next is the solution. So that is how it will work. Subject matter, that is why you are writing. Cause and effect. What is the cause of that subject matter and what are the effects? And finally, solution. So we have given all the solutions for the reasons, cause effect of forest fire, and then the solution. Augmentation funds, hiring satellite services, restricting tourists. Now next is reading comprehension. Read the entire paragraph first. Then read the question twice. You will find the answer from the text itself very easily. Now, this matter is about economic or material progress and spiritual or moral progress? What should take precedence? Both are important. If we understand the text and read each question thoroughly, you will find the answer yourself. Only thing is, with some grounding in grammar, you will have facility, convenience in writing simple, easily understandable answers. So this is right. What I mean by material advancement? Very easily, it is here. By economic progress, I take it, we mean material advancement. Answer is there. So my answer is, according to the writer, material advancement means material advancement without limit. It enabled a man's desire to keep amassing wealth. That is answer. That is answer of what is material desire. Similarly, real progress. Moral progress is the real progress. Concluding by visual. Again, comprehension. It is about democracy. How does democracy work the best? People should be. What is the basic faith of democracy? Is that in democracy that every person possesses goodwill. Second is qualities. Faith in human nature, goodwill of human beings. Then according to writer, what can't be? Why can't uneducated people be good democrat? And how they become good democrats? Ultimate good democracy. Next is pressy. For pressy, read the entire paragraph twice. Understand the gist of it. And mark the words which show the connection of a clause with the main clause. That will facilitate your answer in pressy. Generally, pressy should be about 1/3 of the matter given in the question paper. So it is about liberty. 328 words. So see, liberty, a boon of mankind with minor riders. Liberty is the most cherished natural right of human being. Liberty is the freedom to do things as one pleases. A man may dress up as he pleases, eat or drink what he wants, or play any kind of music. No one dare stop him. However, the right to swing one's fist ends where the other man's nose begins. All these liberties are limited to some extent. Liberty to play music exists, but without disturbing your neighbor, who also has liberty to live in peace. Thus, my liberty is limited to the extent where my activity does not infringe the liberty of another person. Our advice to all of you is, understand the structure of a sentence. It means you must have strong grounding in grammar. English is a simple language because it has parts of speech and tenses. So grounding in these two is very important. We at our academy have made earnest efforts, however imperfect, for gearing you up to the right pitch of correct and refined English. Read our book, consult us for further information. Best of luck. God bless you all. Namaskar.